The diabetic foot check annual review is an essential component of your diabetic care package. It takes minutes to undertake. It's vital that you attend these appointments. We understand that patients are busy. We've all got busy lives. If you haven't been invited by your GP practice to attend for your foot check, contact the surgery, arrange your appointment. It's absolutely essential for them to look at your feet, examine your feet, record the findings, and head off any possible catastrophic complications that could result if those foot checks are not undertaken.
It's really important that you get your foot checked every year. We want you to remain independent with your diabetes and not develop any foot complications. If you notice anything that changes with your feet, it's important that you get them checked with a healthcare professional and that you get into the habit of good self-care and looking after your own feet. We want you to avoid the complications that can impact your life, such as infections and limb loss.
If I had checked my feet and done my annual tests and not ignored what people had told me, and through the smoking, the drinking and eating the wrong stuff, I am now a below knee amputee on the left leg, and my life is totally different. I can't work at the job I've done since I was 15. I believe that if I had taken all the advice that was given to me at the start, I wouldn't be short on one leg. So all I can say is I will do anything to help anybody with diabetes, amputations or vascular disease, because I don't want them to go through what I went through.